Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to remove password from Shopify store. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, go into Shopify on your computer and then log into your Shopify account, and as you can see I am currently on my Shopify account right now. So what I need to do in here is to firstly click here, it says online store in here. As you can see, and in here we are going to click here, it says preference, so click on preference in here, and then what you need to do is to actually scroll like all the way down, and if you have this one like enable right here where it says restrict access to visitors with the password, you need to basically disable this one right here. So if you disable, then you also need to save. The save button will appear somewhere in here, just so you know. So basically when you have done so, then you actually will remove password on your Shopify store. But one more thing, you need to actually pay for Shopify. I think that you need to have at least the Shopify basic plan for this to actually work, for you to be able to remove like the password on your Shopify store. I am not 100% like sure that is the case, but you can always check with Shopify support just to make sure. But if you don't have this option right here, as you can see password protection, and you are not paying for Shopify right now, then is most likely because you are not basically having like a premium plan on Shopify. So basically this is exactly how to do so. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.